The central government is planning to offload the real estate assets of a number of SIC PSUs in an attempt to boost real estate and construction activities across India. And in the capital especially, the National Buildings Construction Corporation or NBCC is aggressively looking to tap unused government land or redevelop old government properties to boost supply of housing in Delhi. Vasudha Sharma looks at the potential of redevelopment in Delhi and whether private developers see some mouthwatering opportunity in this as well.
In the world's second most populous city, Delhi, space comes at a premium, and every small land parcel is now being eyed for productive use. Redevelopment of underutilized and unused land assets of government agencies is now on the agenda of the Modi administration. The government's biggest landholder, the Defence Ministry, holds 17 lakh acres of land across India, but many of its prime land parcels are encroached upon. Indian Railways owns 4,31,000 hectares of land, out of which a staggering 44,000 hectares is vacant. The capital's Delhi Development Authority has 1,500 acres of its land encroached upon. And other civic agencies like the CPWD are also losing their prime real estate due to disuse. The central government is also mulling hiving off the idle land parcels of poorly performing PSUs to state-run engineering and construction firm NBCC.
You see, Government of India have around 18 government presses controlled by Ministry of Urban Development historically for any reason. So these are very old government presses. One of the presses at Minto Road, if you have seen. And similar kind of property they have in Mayapuri, Faridabad, Nasik, Coimbatore, Kolkata. Now government has planned to redevelop all these presses, including presses and extra land they want to exploit for commercial.
In the capital city, NBCC is already redeveloping old government colonies and CPWD land holdings and plans to reserve 10 to 20% of the new stock it builds for the open market.
We are in discussion with the government of Delhi. They have DTC depots in entire Delhi, maybe 30, 40, and located in a very prime location like Patpatganj, Mayur Vihar, or maybe Narayana, maybe Vasant Vihar. So now we have given them proposal that redevelopment on the same lines of Kidwai Nagar or maybe Moti Bagh.
Even the capital's apex land owner, the DDA, is contemplating the redevelopment route for Delhi.
In Master Plan 2021, there is a provision for redevelopment of commercial areas. So keeping that in mind, many associations in markets, they have come up with their plan for redevelopment of their commercial areas. So we are examining those proposals.
Private real estate developers say the potential for redevelopment of government land in Delhi can become huge with private participation.
The idea now would be that yes, we can go in for high-rise, multi-level commercial centers as well as residential complexes. In this, both the private sector can take lead, and in some cases where it is sheer government property, the public sector institutions like NBCC can come in. They can allow all of affordable housing to be made over there with a much higher FAR. We should be going from 4 towards 10.
But even before redevelopment of unused government land can be taken up on a PPP model, identification and consolidation of such parcels is the big challenge. With camera person AJ Joseph, Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.